Excuse me. Pepper. You know this is sauce that I'm making with a lot of pepper. My God, it's pepper your nose. I know my God is able. I know my God is able to carry me through. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I can carry this. I walk upon the sea. I know that my God is able. I know that oh my God, it is. I know that it is. I know that God is able. My God is able. Oh, He's able. I know that my God is able. I know that He is able to carry me through. Oh, He has healed the broken hearted. Oh, He has set the captives free. Oh, He is. Nothing to do. That's pasta. Pasta. Spark. Say spark. Pasta. Pasta. I'll that one from my school. Oh, really? It's pasta. Pasta. It's pasta. Let me cook for Mama. Mama, want to cook for Mama. Okay. He's able. I know that He's able. I know that my God is able to carry me. My God is able. Oh, He's able. Mommy, today's good night. Amen. I know that He's able. Good night. Mommy, today is not good night. Mommy, I want to eat this one. That's not seasoning, Maggi. You cannot eat Maggi. Put inside food. I want to put inside food. To make your food to be tasty. You don't eat it, okay? The Maggi is inside the food. It's for you to put inside your food. Your food will become tastier. It's not for you to eat it raw. You don't eat it like that. It's not good to eat it like that, okay? People are not eating on me. People are not eating on me. Let me see whether this is enough. What I put in my hand. Yes. Lick your hand. I lick it. It's sweet. It's sweet. Mine is dirty. Mine is dirty. You wash it. I taste it. You cover it. I taste it. This pasta has a lot of. It's very spicy. Wash it and wait. Let me cover it. Let it cook. Let the ingredient enter inside. Come and wash your hand now. Scent leaf for garnishing, and it's very good for the stomach. Very, very good for the stomach. This is a good leaf for your stomach. If you're having any pain in your stomach, you are eating too many food that has sugar, use scent leaf to garnish your food. It will reduce your sugar level and make your stomach and your gut to be very, very happy. Very, very well. Very happy. You can see how juicy this is looking already. When the pasta is juicy, it's more delicious than when it's dry. I think I'll put up the fire. It's enough. So, what will I do now? I have one egg sauce here. I don't want it to waste. I'm going to use just cook and put inside, and each of the pasta will make it very hot. For this. I think the seasoning salt, everything is good. Yummy. So guys, the African Oriental juicy spag is ready. Made by one and only Anne Glow. The taste of this African Oriental juicy pasta is out of this world. The taste is what? The taste is out of this world. Very juicy. Garnish with scent leaf from the farm, organic scent leaf. Garnish with organic scent leaf. Then there is dry fish inside. This pasta, if you eat it, you will not want to eat any other one. You will not want to even cook it any other way. So let me go and enjoy. I have water to use and step down. See you guys later. Love you. Kisses to all of you. Bye.